Windows, keyboard shortcut to view calendar. Is there a keyboard shortcut to bring up the calendar in Windows 7? I am referring to the calendar that is displayed if you click on the date time display in the system tray. If that is not possible, is there any trick to display any calendar, with current date highlighted, with a keyboard shortcut?
I could not find any direct way to do this. Instead, I added the calendar gadget in Windows 7 and created an auto hotkey script to show or hide gadgets, and thus calendar, whenever needed when a keyboard shortcut, Win+G, was pressed. The UX script to do this can be found here and more details on it here.
Windows 11. Win+N. Windows 10, as of Anniversary Update. New in Windows 10 Anniversary Update. Win+Alt+D, heap. This will pop open the calendar and pressing it again will close it. For a full list of Windows shortcuts go here.
Keyboard shortcut. You can display the calendar with a combination of 3 keyboard shortcuts. Win+V, arrow right, enter. Explanation. Win+V selects the Windows system tray. Arrow right selects the calendar. Enter opens the calendar. Screenshot. Image source, How to Geek.
Write this auto hotkey script. Now Alt+D will open the date/clock window. If you don't know what auto hotkey is, just Google it, download it, open a notepad document, insert the script line and save the file. Rename it as filename.uck. The file logo will become a green H. Double-click it. The logo will appear in the right-hand taskbar icons, and the script should work. To change the hotkey, exchange for hash, or plus for win, control, or shift, respectively, or keep for alt, and change the letter if you want. Or learn about uck and do anything you like.